I love the hair at the zoo.
Parating na raw. Kabilang kauna-unang Asian Chess Grandmaster na si Eugene Torre na maglalaro sa virtual tournament ng kauna-unang Government Licensed Professional Chess League sa buong mundo. Kilala natin na iba pang makasama sa draft kahapon sa unang balita ni Mav Gonzalez.
Kung ang ibang sport hindi malaro ngayong may pandemya, ang chess gumawa pa ng kasaysayan kahapon. Si Chess Grandmaster Eugene Torre ang nanguna sa kauna-unahang draft ng Pinoy chess players.
This is the first time this is happening, no? Not only in the Philippines but throughout the world. This is the first government licensed professional chess league. And our players are also the first professional chess players in the world. The players in the Philippines, especially the chess players, are not in very good financial condition, no? Situation. So we thought of a way of helping them.
May 24 teams na sumali sa draft at pwede maglaro mapababae o lalaki pati mga Pilipino abroad. Sa January 16 ang simula ng tournament, virtually muna habang di pa pwede ang face-to-face. Malaki raw ang maitutulong ng virtual chess games dahil natigil ang sports dahil sa COVID-19 pandemic.
This will have a very, very big effect on the Philippine professional sports industry because, everybody's scared to go out of their homes. But you can play chess in your homes. And this will also help the government, diba? Ang sabi ng gobyerno, stay at home.
Bukod kay Eugene Torre, na-draft din si Grandmaster Joey Antonio at highest-ranked Filipino chess player na si Ino Sadora.
Every day, 24/7 kami naglalaro. In fact, before the pandemic, no, 1 million chess Filipino players ang naglalaro. Pero ngayon, more than double, 3 million at least. Meron na silang pupuntahan pag gumaling sila. Ito na yung pick-up, no? Hindi lang basketball, hindi lang boxing, chess. Saka tayo, magagaling talaga tayong mga Pilipino. In fact, yung number 2, number 3, world champion sa random, Pilipino na nag-migrate sa US.
Para mas ma-develop pa ang Pinoy chess players, mag-iimbita rin ng foreign teams sa mga darating na torneo.
This is a mental sport and this is where we can become very, very world-class. Being mentally capable also helps the whole nation.
Pero para sa kauna-unahang Asian Chess Grandmaster, higit pa sa maging world-class ang pangarap niya para sa mga mas bata at mas bagong chess player.
Hopefully, yung mga chess players, kung anong natutunan nila sa chessboard, sana ma-apply din sa buhay. Kunyari, ang mga bisyo, blunder yan, mga wrong moves. So dapat kung chess player ka, as much as possible, iwasan yung mga bad move.
Ito ang unang balita. Mav Gonzalez, Buong Puso para sa Pilipino.